Ua teme teme, ua oso oso, ua oli oli le liva liva, ina ua tū vanga I whingota. Reverend Seu'ula, Lua Manawai, Miss Claire Mechihen, Australian Deputy High Commissioner to Samoa, Chief Executive Officers of the government, agencies and private sectors, Nikki Peart, A.P.T.C Interim Executive Director, Laua Fionga Langa Aia Lealifano Ista Manila Silipa, A.P.T.C Country Director for Samoa and Tonga. Honourable Ministers and Members of Parliament of Samoa, graduates, esteemed guests, Tamaitai Mali. Talofa lava and a very good morning to you all. On behalf of the Government of Samoa, I am delighted to be invited as the keynote speaker for the A.P.T.C Samoa graduation ceremony. I would like to begin by congratulating each and every one of the graduates on the celebration of their achievements. You have worked hard to earn your Australian standard qualifications in various vocational areas, and you should be proud of what you have accomplished. Today, 217 Samoan women and men will be awarded qualifications in 15 different vocational programs, such as constructions, plumbing, skills for work and vocational pathways, commercial cookery, hospitality, air conditioning, refrigeration, electronic technology, technician, engineering, fabrication trade, light vehicle mechanical technology, applied fashion design and technology, education support, community services, tourist, international skills training, and leadership and management. To all the graduates, as your Minister for Education, Sports and Culture, I wish to convey the government's sincere congratulations on your achievements. I am confident the A.P.T.C has appropriately equipped you to put your new qualifications and skills into practice as part of Samoa's growing workforce. Some of you received your training virtually and away from home. All other A.P.T.C campuses around the region. Your determination and efforts to get qualification while navigating the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic is indeed admirable. I also wish to acknowledge your employers, families, friends, and trainers for continuously providing support and encouragement during your learning journey with the A.P.T.C. We also have graduates here today from key government organizations and ministries, such as the staff from the Samoan Police, Prisons and Corrections Services, the Samoa Tourism Authority, SQA, NUS, Ministry of Commerce, Industry and Labor, Public Service Commission, Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, Samoa Water Authority, Electric Power Corporation, and from the Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment. The Samoan government believes in investing the development of its human resource as this can enhance service delivery for all Samoans. I would like to thank you for your commitment to your study. As a key highlight of today's graduation is that we have around 100 women who have successfully completed their technical and vocational programs. 7 of these women are graduating in construction and plumbing. Well done to all women graduates. You are role models for other women who may want to take up a similar career pathway. I am sure you will use your qualification to contribute to the socio-economic development of our communities. Education is priority for the Samoan government and is a key driver of social and economic development. The Education Ministry has implemented a number of policies such as the Samoan Education Sector Plan 2019 to 2024 to help improve access to education and enhance quality of teaching and learning at all levels in Samoa. The Samoa Education Sector Plan is a key part of the Samoan government's commitment to providing access to quality education and training for all Samoan citizens, regardless of their social-economic background. Gaining new skills and knowledge plays an important part in ensuring our people can continuously to access new opportunities, increase their employability, and contribute to national development. The Samoan government, through my ministry, is pleased to work with the Australian government to provide a quality and holistic education system to help Samoans fulfill their potential. I acknowledge Australia's support for the National Post-School Education and Training, P.C sector. This is enabling Samoans to gain high standard qualifications and valuable training for improved employment and better livelihoods. Programs like A.P.T.C have provided over 2,200 Samoans, of whom more than 49% are women, have gained skills to various vocational careers. These graduates are part of the growing number of 18,000 plus graduates that A.P.T.C has trained across the region since 2007. I must say, I am pleased with the way A.P.T.C is working with the Samoan Qualification Authority, which is the national body for coordinating P6 under the Education Ministry. Both A.P.T.C and SQA are collaborating to improve the quality and access to TVET, as well as greater capacity to support gender equality, disability, and social inclusion within the country's TVET landscape. A.P.T.C is also working with the National University of Samoa, NUS, to contribute to the outcomes in the Education Sector Plan to ensure that TVET programs are relevant and national needs and meet the standards, the demands of the local and international labor markets. The focus is to improve the quality of our graduates and their employability. The approach to working together is strongly recommended by the Samoan government. Working with local partners and stakeholders mean that we can bring together our collective expertise and amplify our results to ensure sustainable outcomes for Samoa's growth and prosperity. Congratulations to our graduates once again. Your commitment to pursuing TVET programs is a testament to your determination to success in life. You have acquired the skills and knowledge that will help you make a valuable contribution to our society. And I encourage you, use these skills to support the development of our country. Continue to be great ambassadors and always be hungry for learning and growing, both personally and professionally. You are all important to the many sectors in our national economy that supports COVID-19 recovery. I wish to acknowledge Australia's support and collaboration with the Ministry of Education, Sports, Culture in Samoa. Let us continue to work together to build a brighter future for our people and our country. Best wishes to the graduates in your future endeavors. Whaftai lava, soifua mai manu.
Talofa and good morning. It's my great privilege to be here to confer the awards of today's A.P.T.C graduation in Samoa. I offer my most sincere appreciation to our guest speakers, the Minister of Education, Sports and Culture, the Honourable Seu'ula Ioane Tuā'au, Ms Claire McGeechan, Australian Deputy High Commissioner to Samoa, to our guests, Honourable Minister of Natural Resources, Environment and Tourism, Associate Minister of Works, ILO National Coordinator and the VC of NUS, as well as our partners and distinguished guests present. On behalf of the Australia Pacific Training Coalition, it is my pleasure to congratulate the 217 graduands on your very special graduation day. To our graduands, take pride in your hard work and sacrifices you put in to successfully complete your studies. I'm sure today is not only a very proud moment for you, but also for your families and your trainers and everyone who has played a part in your reaching this result. A.P.T.C is also proud to have supported the 92 women who are represented in 13 qualifications being awarded today. We believe that women are important contributors and leaders in the Pacific, and A.P.T.C is committed to supporting skills development for women like those graduating today through our training. A.P.T.C will continue to target women in our marketing and recruitment activities, and we have long supported accessible training for gender and social inclusion while challenging gender norms for women in trades. A.P.T.C recognises that TVET plays a key role in educating and skilling Samoan citizens, and it is essential for economic prosperity. As Australia's TVET investment in the Pacific and Timor-Leste, we pride ourselves on being a centre for training excellence and collaboration with local partners. We can't do this alone, and I would like to acknowledge A.P.T.C's partners in Samoa. A.P.T.C remains committed to our partnerships and to supporting the delivery of quality, inclusive and relevant TVET in Samoa. That said, to our newest graduates, we would also like to thank you for the opportunity in letting us share in your learning. We trust that you will continue to strive and be the very best you can be in your chosen work. After receiving your award today, you will have the distinguished honour of being part of the A.P.T.C alumni, and I encourage you to stay connected through the A.P.T.C Samoa alumni chapter. I will now move forward to confer the awards of today's ceremony. In accordance with the Australian Qualifications Framework and in recognition of the individual requirements of each qualification, I confirm that all graduands have met the requirements of their course of study as conferred by TAFE Queensland and delivered through the Australia Pacific Training Coalition. Congratulations to all our graduands.